Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the northeast KHB River near Burgum from Wednesday morning until further notice. At 9:30 p.m. Monday, the stage was 8.4 feet.
I hate you.
Flood stage is 10.0 feet.
I hate you.
Minor flooding is forecast.
I hate you.
Forecast.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
The flood stage late Wednesday morning and continue rising to 11.2 feet Saturday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact at 11.0 feet.
No.
Flood waters continue to rise and affect roads in the River Bend and River Birch subdivisions off Highway 53 along the east bank of the river.
I hate you.
Portions of Crooms Bridge Road and Old Maple Hill Road become impassable.
I hate you, ILM.
The following message is for the following county: Inland New Hanover, North Carolina. Coastal flood advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 3 a.m. Tuesday. West, up to 1/2 foot of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways.
I just want you to know something. I hate ILM for one good reason. Okay, I'm sorry guys, at ILM, but I have to say this. Why would you issue the flood warning on the EAS alert bot and then just completely issue it like 15 minutes later? That is freaking logic right there. And since WMNX is not going to relay it, I need to go to another station. I'll probably get copyright though. Okay, they're not going to do it.